How to change the banner style for notifications on your iPhone. You can choose whether notification banners disappear automatically or stay on the screen until you dismiss them manually. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, scroll through the list and select the app you want to customize. For this example, I'll choose Instagram, but you can follow the same steps for any other supported app. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Then, under the Alerts section, ensure Banners is selected. After that, tap Banner Style. You'll see two options, Temporary and Persistent. Select Temporary if you want notification banners to disappear automatically after a few seconds. Or choose Persistent if you'd like the banner to remain on the screen until you dismiss it manually. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply close the Settings app when you're done. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification banner style on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.